kids are having an absolute ball back at the pool. I wish I was there with them.
This would be a lot more interesting, believe me.
Oh, stop just a minute. Look, you can see the village from here. Oh, what a marvelous setting. The ocean on one side, and the mountain on the other.
That's not a mountain, Mel. That's a volcano. You believe that was formed almost 1 million years ago?
That's very interesting, Harry. Very interesting.
Listen, as much as I hate to put a damper on this field trip, Harry, I really kind of had my heart set on going scuba diving, you know?
Me too.
That's for tourists. I'm going to show you the real Hawaii.
But we are tourists, aren't we?
Just wait till you see the other side of this volcano. Look at this. Something else, right? Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. That's it. Come on, come on. There you go. Come on. Just think about it. Just think about it. Look at this. We are standing on what used to be nature's blast furnace. Just imagine how it must have been when this volcano was covered with millions of tons of molten...
Where do you want this stuff?
Over there. Lava. Lava everywhere. Wait a minute. Wait, hold it. What's going on? Little project.
Little project? It's over 1,500 feet of lumber there.
Yeah, but I got a good deal on it.